Today's math lesson will be a continuation of some of the work that we did yesterday and an extension of the kind of thinking that we're trying to get at while making comparisons and looking at big numbers. Keep in mind that all of the work that you do for math should also be helpful for your FLL project. As a starting point for today, find the area affected by the absolute worst instance on record of your disaster, preferably in kilometers square. This is probably information that you have already got from yesterday. Also find the death toll for that same instance. I'd also then like you to find the area of our classroom. You'll be able to get a flexible IKEA meter stick, figure out the area of our classroom. If you don't remember how to do this, chat to a friend or maybe look it up online. Then find the area of Canada. Don't use the IKEA meter stick to do this. You'll probably want to get that one off the internet. I got it in about 2 minutes with Google. Also find the population of Centennial Senior Public School. It is online, you don't have to count. Brampton, Ontario, and Canada. You might be comparing to one of these populations. Now do some math. Create a short presentation that compares the worst instance of your disaster to some of the stats you just found. Here's a sample of one that I wanted to do. The population of Canada is 34.88 million. I Googled it. The death toll when Mount Tambora erupted was 92,000. Now there were a couple others that were bigger, however, their death toll was not confirmed. This was the largest confirmed eruption. So, that means it would take 379 eruptions of Mount Tambora to wipe out Canada. But it would wipe out 148 times the population of Centennial Senior Public School. So, for your presentations, you can do them however you wish. Include a couple of comparisons of the worst instance of your disaster to some of the Canadian and Centennial stats that we've looked up. You may use any tool you wish, including paper if you would like. You might use PowerPoint, which is in your SkyDrive, or you could use something like Prezi or EduCreations. It's entirely up to you. Anything is fair game. I want you to work with at least one friend, but no more than 2, so therefore groups of 3 or less. We will be sharing these presentations in a variety of different formats. Hopefully you can finish them today. There will be a little bit of time later in the day.